Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja. Today, we are diving into the colorful world of shapes and basic geometry. Whether you're just starting to learn or brushing up on your skills, we'll explore different shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. Geometry is all around us, and understanding these shapes helps us describe and understand the world better. So, get ready to explore the shapes of everyday objects and have some fun along the way. Let's begin our adventure with the most common shape, the circle. A circle is a round shape, with no corners at all. Imagine the sun in the sky, it looks just like a circle, glowing brightly without any sharp edges. A fascinating fact about circles is that all points along the edge are the same distance from the center. This unique feature makes circles very special in geometry. As you look around your room, can you think of other objects that are circular? A clock, a pizza, and even a full moon are examples of circles. Next, we move on to the square, another essential shape. A square has 4 straight sides, and what's interesting is that all 4 sides are the same length. You can think of a square as looking like a box or perhaps a tile on a checkerboard. Now, squares have 4 corners that are also called vertices. If you look around, can you spot something that resembles a square? Maybe a window or a piece of paper? It's amazing how much we use squares in our daily lives. Now let's talk about triangles. A triangle is a unique shape with 3 straight sides and 3 corners. The very name triangle refers to its 3 angles. Triangles are quite strong and sturdy, which is why they are found in many buildings, including bridges and roofs. The shape provides excellent support. Can you picture a triangle in action? Think about the shapes you see when you're outside, like road signs. Lastly, we have the rectangle. A rectangle is similar to a square but a bit different. A rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but its sides are not all the same length. In fact, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It's the kind of shape you see in doors, books, and even your smartphone. Rectangles are everywhere. Now that we've covered the basic flat shapes, let's explore the difference between flat shapes and solid shapes. Flat shapes, often called two-dimensional or 2D shapes, exist on a flat surface with length and width. In contrast, three-dimensional or 3D shapes have depth, which makes them come to life in our space. For example, think about a ball. That's a 3D shape called a sphere. When you kick a soccer ball, you're interacting with a sphere. Another example is a cube, which you can see in dice. Each side of a cube is a square. Finally, we have cylinders, like a soup can, which has round circular ends and straight sides. As you can see, understanding shapes is crucial because they're everywhere. Let's go on a shape hunt together. Look around your home or classroom and see if you can identify objects that match the shapes we discussed. Which of these objects is most likely shaped like a square? Are there rectangles beside you or circles in the clock on the wall? Shapes are a part of our daily lives, and by recognizing them, we engage with the world around us. Now let's play a little riddle game. Think about this: I have 3 sides, I have 3 corners, I am very strong. What shape am I? Can you figure it out? That's right. It's a triangle. Lastly, we cannot forget about the unique characteristics of shapes. It's important to recall that a square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and a triangle has 3 of each. While circles have no corners and no sides, a rectangle has 4 corners as well. Shapes help us make sense of our surroundings, and learning about them can even sharpen our problem-solving skills. So, keep exploring shapes around you, and don't forget to notice the different objects that take shape in your world. Today, we learned about shapes and the basics of geometry. We explored circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles, discovering what makes each shape special. Circles are round and have no corners, while squares and rectangles have 4 sides, with squares having equal sides and rectangles having longer and shorter sides. Triangles stand out with their 3 sides and corners. We also talked about how shapes can be 2D or 3D, like spheres and cubes. Remember to look around your environment and notice all the wonderful shapes that surround us. Engaging with these shapes can enhance your understanding of the world. Thank you for joining us today on this shape-filled adventure. We hope you had fun learning about geometry and discovering shapes in your surroundings. Keep exploring, and remember that shapes are all around us, making our world colorful and exciting. Don't forget to tune in next time for more learning fun with Spelling Bee Ninja. Until then, keep your eyes open for shapes and enjoy your day.